Hi folks, Ralph here, NoizeBusters, and today I want to show you some cool trick which you can use for shaping your kick drum in a specific way. So we have here, I have a device from Bitwig, nice kick drum, and what I use here is a device called transient split, which takes your signal apart into transient and tones. And what you can do then is, if I can affect the transient or the tone separately now. So if I take the transient and take, let's take a saturator, I can soften the kick drum, I can make it more strong if needed, you know. So if you need more punch, you take a little bit more drive into the transient, or you soften it down. That's just one example. I mean, you can use whatever device you want, like a EQ or a clipper or compression, and then experiment with that devices. Hope you liked it and try out for yourself. Bye.